So I got this fridge from Walmart. Yes, Walmart. Pretty good to go. This said fridge. This was said fridge. Pretty basic. Ella. Henry, watch the ice cream. Ella, you want a job? You want a job?
Yes, I do want a job.
Over here. Open the fridge. Remember I told you I was going to have a surprise for you all?
Yes.
Open this fridge. This is the refrigerator.
Okay. Oh! What are all these?
What are they?
The things. What do you put here?
We'll figure out something.
Like,
What's on top?
yogurt for me!
Oh, whose yogurt is that?
This is one.
And where's Emery's?
Here.
Okay, put those back. Put yours back. Then you see your juices on top and your yogurt on the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to give you some juices that I want you to put in there.
Okay.
You see how I got these where it's just one flavor? Well, it's two rolls of that because there's more. Leave it.
Okay.
I want you to do the same with these.
Yes, I'll do the same.
And for these are some new juices I got for you.
Can I taste all of them?
So I want you to put these in that row.
Okay.
All the same flavors together. You got it?
Yes, I got it.
Okay.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
So, but why? So where should I go? Where should I go?
Thank you.
I'm going.
All right, beautiful people. Look at this progress. Oops, sorry, you heard that crick? Yeah, I soda busted. So the floor is sticky now. So I need to sweep again. Do it's not the Swiffer. I can't think of his name now. But whatever it is. And then I'm going to mop. The water is boiling now. Butler's pantry is clean. Oh, dang it. I forgot. Okay. I had to stock the liquor. I did not stock the liquor. But I stocked the rest of the beverages. And unfortunately, it was a Mountain Dew that busted. My favorite soda. And my take got everywhere. It got everywhere. And I feel like it's still sticky. So I'm going to clean this again. But yeah, it busted all under here. It got in there. It was all over that door. Yeah, I gotta. Goodness gracious. I guess I didn't went down good enough. So I'll go over that again. Either way. Favorites. Overflow. Tea additional. These I got from Home Goods. This is the lemon honey roaster sticks. And I think clover honey. So I really like those. And then the honey is back there. Not the honey. The tea is back there. These little ginger things, I got those from Publix. And then we have the sugar. So this is vanilla sugar from Penzies. So good. So good. So I add a little bit of that to my coffee if I want to. Otherwise, it's just the Splenda. Star Sticks. This cinnamon sugar from Penzies. Oh no. And I keep dropping and spilling because, of course, it's a little sifter top. That I put on toast. So if I just butter toast, I just sprinkle some of that on there, and it's so good. So that's the little tea area. Disposable coffee cups. Down here, we have the overflow of drinks. Step into the office, which I need to clean again. And Ella did a good job at finishing up refilling their fridge. These are ours. I just didn't have another place to put them. Or I just didn't want them in the fridge. I take that back. So we're just borrowing that space down there. And in here is their popsicles. It's taking a bit of time to freeze. That's still frozen. I might need to turn this up because this should be frozen by now. Let's turn it to 5. But yeah, those are just Pedialyte to have on hand, and then these are Italian ice popsicles, and then Johnny Pops that Emery can have no problem. So yeah, and then these are Emery's, dairy free, and then these are Ella's, so they can come and grab it if they want. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put there yet. And that's it for that.
To get a hold of yourself.
Come and check.
Real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
Cucumbers, strawberries, blueberries, apples. I am late to clean it off because I got tired of cleaning it off individually, but now they're all clean, so we can just grab them. Alright, so the dishwasher is loaded. So dishwasher is loaded. Cucumbers, strawberries, blueberries, bacon. Put this in the dishwasher. Put these in the fridge and wash these new items. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. The fridge is cleaned. I haven't shown you the update. Gotta throw this out because Walmart gave me meat that expired within a day. I got my money back from that. This Canadian bacon has been good. Putting it on the table. the cheese was fine. I'm gonna order some more lunch meat and liking some more fruit. We've been doing pretty good. We've been making parfaits with the fruit. Eggs. We've been eating eggs a lot too. So I need to buy some more. But those two that were sitting out have been put in there. So yeah, it's going to, you see the apples are in their spot. And let's grab the fruit before the fridge starts yelling at us. To get our stuff together. These should be getting. Why is there crumbs up there? I don't know. I'll clean that tomorrow. But we should be separating the hot dogs because we separate by packs of 2 and put them in the freezer for the girls because when they eat them, they each have one. So yeah. The lemonades, I'd be putting a pack of Kool-Aid in there. I saw it somewhere some time ago. That Great Value lemonade is not my favorite, but the simple lemonade I do like. So clean fridge, clean fridge, clean fridge. Oh, the romaine is in there, which we need to eat. Look like it's bruising. Sorry. All right, good night. Oh, I also got some ice cream. One of the other packs is inside. That was mine. This is Emily's because of her allergies. So those are hers. Alright, pardon the humming. So I need to clean the deep freezer out, or the upright freezer. Because the goal is to just use this and not have the chest freezer anymore. So these are what Emily's. These are Emily's pizzas that I had made, that I pre-made. I just went for a big Sam's grocery shopping. But yeah. Okay. I'm gonna clean this out. And I also got these from Sam's. And let's see. Got a pack of ribs. Let's see. No, you can't see it. Sorry. Don't matter. And I got a pack of ribs that are frozen too. And out of the 2 packs of ground beef, 1 pack I just love. The other half from the other package, one was already cooked, one is going to be cooked for dinner tonight. Alright, before I put everything back in there, this is really what's only in there. I just put that back in there. But yeah, this is stuff I think I was supposed to cook like Thanksgiving or something that I clearly didn't cook. Then that's a ham down there. Oh, I put that on March 27th. Then some crab legs, some cod, some lo mein that is expired. Oh, Lakeisha. Wasting money. Pizza rolls, some sweet potato fries. So yeah, not much in here. And that's just the frosting from, I think, my birthday cake. And that's Ella's birthday cake. Dairy Queen ice cream cake. So I want to throw everything in here, clean out the freezer, and then let that sit, then I'll put everything back where it belongs. And then donate this. Alright, so this is stuff that is expired. Yeah, cheese box. I just do what I could fit in here. Just the rest of space. this is what is left. So let's clean. I'm going to use the container that was holding the foods. I just filled it up with some Dawn and some hot water. And of course I stopped alone. It's hot in this garage. Alright, so freezer is all cleaned out. I'm going to let it sit overnight because with the back and forth it was starting to sweat. But it's all cleaned out. This is what I couldn't move. And tomorrow we'll put it all back together. And only one more thing needs to go, and it was this California crust pizza. Cauliflower crust pizza that expired last year. Not too bad. Cleaned out the garbage can, just letting that sit. So, all right.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
To get a hold of yourself.
Come and check.
Real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
To get a hold of yourself.
Come and check. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. come and check. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.